Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a Turkish Get Up, which is a great exercise for your core, shoulder stability and mobility. So we can go over how to do this exercise properly so you can get the most benefits from this exercise without injuring yourself. So check it out. What's up guys, this is your coach Łukasz, and today we're gonna go over a Turkish Get Up, which is a great exercise for your core strength, core stability, shoulder stability, and also mobility. I also do believe that this exercise translates well into other sports such as wrestling or other grappling sports as well. So let's go over the 8 steps that we're doing during the Turkish Get Up. Alright guys, so let's go over the 8 steps. I believe that there are 8 steps during the Turkish Get Up. So first what we want to do is we want to go to a fetal position where you guys going to lay down where your knees are closer with your chest. Your upper leg is on top of the other leg. From this position, you're going to move your hand under the kettlebell and put the other hand on top of the other kettlebell, other hand. From this position, what you're going to do, that's going to be our first step. You guys are gonna roll on your back, and one side, my knee is bent, my elbow is bent, it's close to the body, like 35 or 40 degree angle. The other side, my arm and my legs are straight. Step number 2, what you wanna do is press up and exhale. From this position, what I wanna do is I wanna roll on my side and go on my elbow. I want to keep contact on the kettlebell, and from this position, I'm going to sit up on my hand. Next step, I want to bridge up, squeeze my butt on top. From here, I'm going to bring the heel towards my body. Now I'm going to rotate to a half kneeling position, and then I'm going to stand up, and I'm maintaining the eye contact with the kettlebell. Now we're going to do all these 8 steps. Moving back to the floor, we're just gonna reverse all those movements. So I'm gonna step back. From this position, I'm gonna bring my foot to the side. I'm gonna chop my hip like a karate chop, and I'm gonna bring my hand down. From here, I'm gonna shoot my leg forward and bring my hip down. Then I'm gonna go on my elbow, I'll come back on my shoulder, then go on my other shoulder, bring your elbow down, and then I'm gonna roll to the side. So that's the whole sequence that you guys you can practice to do for the Turkish Get Up. All right, guys. So now we're gonna do this movement from the other side, from the other angle, so you guys can see. So again, one side everything is straight, one side everything is bent. My knee is up, my elbow is up in a 35-degree angle. First step, I press up. Then I'm gonna roll to the side, and I'm gonna go on my elbow. From here, I'm gonna go on my hand. I'm gonna bring my hips up, bring your heel close towards your body, rotate, go to a half kneeling position, and go up. And now we're gonna go down all those 8 steps in a reverse. So I'm gonna do like a reverse lunge. I'm gonna rotate my body and bring my leg like to the side. Karate chop your hip, bring your hand down. From this position, you guys are gonna shoot your leg forward. Bring your hips down, go on your elbow, go on your shoulder, on your other shoulder, and then roll down. And this is the Turkish Get Up. What you can do to practice all those movements, first start without the weight and practice all those drills. So first, just roll on your back, and then step number 1, just practice like 5 reps, the press. Then do like 5 reps, sit-ups on your elbow. Then practice go on your hand from this position. Then practice, a few reps driving your hips up, so on and so forth. Once you got all that sequence down and you feel comfortable, then you can add light weight, like you can use a dumbbell or light kettlebell. And then once you feel proficient with this movement, then you can increase the weight and progress from there. All right, guys, so today we went over how to do a Turkish Get Up. I show you 8 steps for the Turkish Get Up, which is a great exercise for your core strength, core stability, and shoulder stability, and also mobility. I do believe that this exercise transfers well into our grappling sports, such as jiu-jitsu or wrestling. But also I do believe this is one of the basic human movements, like for example, comparing to like squats or hinging. We also want to know how to properly get up from the floor. We want to know how to effectively and proficiently get up from the floor. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys want to watch more of that similar content, make sure you subscribe, and we see you on the gym. Take care. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 movements during the Turkish Get Up, I think.